Hello, my dear future chartered accountants. This is CA Chinmay Hegde, your learning partner in CA Final FR and SFM. This video is a review on July 2021 FR paper. Disclaimer first, this video is expression of my individual opinion only. ICAI has nothing to do with this. This is my individual personal opinion. Few of the responses which I have received in Telegram, WhatsApp from my students. I will not discuss everything, few of them for your reference. Solved consolidation in your format, got tallied, forever grateful. Thanks for the lectures, notes, consolidation, 100% subsidiary came. From expected question, some question came. Thanks for the effort. Okay. Focus, consolidation was the key. And my time management in FR paper was not good, therefore was short of time to major extent. So all these screenshot I've taken in my Telegram channels and the WhatsApp message I received with their due permission, of course. Hope all of our students is also fine. This is the paper of new new syllabus. So what and all question came? Let's quickly go through it. Then I'll give my opinion. Question number 1 was 3 subsidiaries, basically chain holding. It was asked already in the exam previous 2 times in the last few attempts. I keep telling, solve previous question papers. Nothing can beat ICAI level standard of questions. Solve previous year question paper. Second page also that only. Third page, this company has received a contract, relevant terms of the contracts. This is actually based on Ind AS 1. Ind AS 1. That is classification of current versus non-current. You know, if it is within operating cycle, it will be current, otherwise it will be non-current. Operating cycle, they say 15 months. So if it is within 15 months, it becomes current. Beyond 15 months, becomes non-current. As simple as that. Yeah, that was the first question B. Then 2A, property 1, property 2, property 3. In fact, this question I've discussed, I've included in my guest paper also, where they have given, or I would have solved it at least in my classes for sure. This is also part of, I think, MTP paper maybe, but it's part of ICAI published material. So they have given 3 properties. You have to do calculations, depreciation you have to charge, estimated life. So based on Ind AS properties, property 1, property 2, or for business purposes. Okay, property 1, property 2 for business purpose becomes Ind AS 16 and property 3 Ind AS 40. So revaluation model adopted. So you can apply. Okay, so this Ind AS 16, Ind AS 40 problem, a known problem actually. 2B is looks a big problem, a study material, Ind AS 115 problem. Almost in all my crash course problems, crash course classes have included this problem. Very simple, looks big to frighten students, to make the paper lengthy, but very, very simple problem. Standalone selling price, proportionately you should do, combine the products and like A plus B product, A plus B plus C product, differential you find out, very simple mathematical product calculation, not much of confusion here. Study material question. Looks big, scenario 2, scenario 3, scenario 4. It's based what type of valuation you adopt in days 115. Simple problem. I know you would be thinking, so this is a simple problem for you only. For us, it will be difficult. Not like that. Study material, previous question paper will change your life. Of course, consolidation in my format. Look at this question. This is came on Ind AS 40, a study material question. Agriculture, Ind AS 41, 41, agriculture, a study material question. Then this is about impairment loss, very small question. So then not much of confusion here. Ind AS 36, a very small, simple one, not much of calculation. Is engaged business of extraction materials, sold pharmaceuticals, extract. At the end of the year, these pharmaceutical extracts were lying, closing stock. Functional currency, okay. This is currency 85 euro 88, exact same problem has been added in the study material about few months back, not latest one, few months back. Study material question about foreign exchange, foreign currency. How do you value? About removal of unrealized profits with foreign currency. This one, Softtech Limited policy providing subsidized loans to its employees. This is also study material question. Financial instrument question. Looks big one. So much, two tables they're given to frighten students. Modification problem. Prepays 5 lakh and reducing the outstanding principal payment. Then revised amount comes. Basically, a problem on modification. A very similar problem is there in study material. Modification or extinguishment accounting versus no extinguishment accounting of financial instruments, that part. Coming to this, government India loan provides to MSME loans. Okay, this is about government grants, Ind AS 20 as well as Ind AS 101, where when you're implementing the gap for the first time, what do you do with respect to the loan? So basically, no, in the nature of if it is below market rate of interest, Ind AS will consider at a grant portion, but AS 12 would not consider grant portion. So what we have to do? A simple problem, not out of institute question particularly, but simple one. As usual, an expected question from CSR, straightforward question on corporate social expenditure. CSR activity. And coming to this, this is again financial instruments where we talk about debt versus equity discussion, where you're having some shares to be issued, convertible, non-convertible, whether debt or equity. Again, study middle question. Some people would not have done, but in my regular class, I've done this. May not be in my crash course classes, but it's also part of study middle problem, where ordinary shares are issued at a particular point in time. So, are you going to consider debt or equity or variable number of shares, fixed number of shares? That part. Even the time may be a variability, but time is not a variability. Number of shares is always fixed. Time may be variable. That should not be considered as variable shares. That's what this problem is all about. If you attend my regular class, you will be aware of it. Then U Limited carrying on pending. Okay, this is segment reporting, Ind AS 108. This look big question. You have to just do it in a columnar format. Similar question I have solved in my classes. I think MTP question maybe earlier. My regular students, maybe one crash course also would have done this, but I would have solved mostly in my regular classes the same problem, of course with different data. TED entered into a contract with lesser. This is Ind AS 116, which is COVID-19 expected question. I've released a video also on this. Rent concession has solved a problem also. 4 marks, simple marks. This is interim financial reporting, not much of thing. Quarterly reporting, units are there. The unit should be divided. You compute the recovery rate and apportion accordingly quarterly. Compute under absorbed, over absorbed. And this is actually old syllabus question also, it was there. And I keep telling you, my dear friends, keep referring to old syllabus question, it can come. Anyway, that is a very easy question. Total number of units with total cost, you divide, you get the recovery rate per unit, multiplied by the units, compare with the cost, you get the recovered cost. A difference will be your under absorbed or absorbed overheads. That was this problem all about. 6A. 6B. Limited issued holder of the option to convert this preferential into fixed. Okay, this is again versus debt versus equity. Equity component, debt component. And also they have early redemption option to prepay. So this might be slightly complicated, but not so much. Means slightly new question. But similar question would have been solved in the classes for sure. Any class would have attended. Not exact problem from study middle, but similar questions are there. Voya Limited issued 1,000 share options. Company, okay, excised. This is problem regarding modification settlement. Again, exact same problem is there in study material towards the end of the problem. Share-based payments, this problem was there. As part of the business expansion, the UG Limited is in the process of setting up healthcare. Okay, this is about intangible assets. You acquired a patent, developed a patent, new vaccine. A similar question was already asked, discussed. In the process of setting up healthcare. So again, intangible asset, very simple questions. You must be aware of it. It's not a study material question, but a small question. Okay, so what is the conclusion? What is the takeaway of your last few minutes you would have watched? You might be a student who have written already, or you are going to write. Consolidation can be the game changer. I've showed you the screenshot. You would have seen by yourself. You can join the Telegram channel. You can ask the students, the format I give you, you can do just like this consolidation problem in exams, and that is going to be first question. The confidence you get the consolidation will spill over your all remaining questions as well as remaining papers. Consolidation can be the life changers. I hope my students will agree with me on this. Study material always have focus, and my material always take questions from study material. Just because of the volume of it, most people don't do study material, but whatever may be your excuse, study material always important. I usually tell one joke also in my class, the love letter joke. I don't want to tell now. My students would know it. And previous year question paper, I repeatedly tell this. Beyond RTP, MTP, previous year question paper made a lot of CAs so far. So that high quality cannot be substituted by any other paper, anybody else. So previous year question papers, keep looking at it. And time management is the overall key. So what is my take on this paper? It was easy, not a complicated one, but definitely lengthy paper in terms of questions as well as in terms of answers. So what should be your approach if you're preparing going forward? Cover study material questions, cover previous year question papers, do solve consolidation in my format. It will save a lot of time. It will help you time management, and write the exam papers. Writing practice is essential in your examination for time management. So consolidation in my format, it will save time, and writing practice also save time. So lengthy paper, but with proper time management skills, you could have managed this paper better. Anyway, I hope this video was useful. Do join the Telegram channel to ask your doubts, and happy reading. See you. Bye bye.